Good morning. Welcome to your daily operations weather brief at 8:15. We have cloudy skies out there this morning. We're going to have increasing mid and low level cloud cover as we move into the afternoon and the evening hours today. We'll see rain showers approaching from the south and from the southeast for this afternoon. Let's see a likely chance of those rain showers and move towards the later afternoon hours into the evening hours for today. Seeing temperatures today peaking out in the lower 60s and then falling once we see that rainfall move into the region today. Also have a tighter pressure gradient across the region as that warm front and disturbance move from the southeast over our area for this afternoon and evening hours, providing us with some gusty winds, possibly making up into the 25 knot criteria. Looking at our surface analysis this morning, we have a warm front currently across South Carolina. Pressure gradient across the region is fairly tight as the area high pressure off the northeast states is still holding on to our area. That's going to provide us with gustier south to southeasterly winds for today. This warm front disturbance will move up into our region for the afternoon and evening hours, providing us with rain showers. Looking at our surface observations for this morning, you can see our winds are currently more out of the east to east-southeast. We'll see those winds turn southeasterly this afternoon and finally southerly for the overnight hours. And see our rain showers pick up as we move into the afternoon hours. Looks like the rain showers should hold off until afternoon today. Can't rule out a brief light sprinkle before that time period, but looks like primarily we'll see those rain showers during the mid-afternoon and after that time period. Our temperatures are currently in the mid-50s. We'll see temperatures slowly rising into the lower 60s for our highs today before they fall back down, as I mentioned, when that rainfall starts over the region. Looking at our high-res HER model for today, we're going to be having that rainfall move into the region. You can see here kind of holding off to the south as that high still holds on to our region. This is noontime today, looking at that rainfall just starting to move over the southern tip of the Delmarva Peninsula and move towards 1 o'clock and then 2 o'clock. See that rain shower starting to move towards the island, and then by 2 to 3 o'clock should see that over the main base with those rain showers becoming steady and over the area for the mid and late afternoon hours and continuing on to the evening hours for today. And that warm front moves through for the overnight time period. We cannot rule out a very slight chance of a thunderstorm, as we'll have a area of weak instability moving over the region, as well as that lift from that warm front moving over the area, looking only about a 10% chance of that occurring. So our current conditions as of 8 a.m. this morning, we had a few clouds at 5,500 feet, a scattered deck at 10,000 feet, overcast deck at 20,000 feet, winds out of 100 degree azimuth at 16 knots, gusting at 20, temperature at 57 degrees, relative humidity at 67%. Looking at our risk chart for today, we're going to have fairly breezy conditions throughout the daytime today. We're going to have we're going to be seeing those breezy conditions picking up, especially during the afternoon hours, as I mentioned. Going to have those winds at a red criteria for the later afternoon hours from 1600 to 20 local for today. Seeing those winds gusting up to 27 knots. We'll have that, orange criteria. We'll have a rain criteria with the red for the later afternoon hours into the evening hours. Sorry for that. We'll have continued breezy conditions for the evening hours into the early and overnight hours before that warm front moves through, and once that does, we'll see those winds start to decrease and become more southerly for the morning hours for our Wednesday. Moving on for today for the precip chances, as I mentioned before, we'll have a red for the late afternoon hours. We'll see an orange to move into the afternoon time period, and moving on to the overnight time period, we'll see that orange continue with likely chances, and we'll see a lingering chance of rain showers and drizzle as we move into the overnight time period with that warm front moving through. And with that drizzle, we'll be seeing reduced visibilities after around 8 o'clock tonight, looking at that ceilings coming down possibly below 500 feet. As I mentioned, we'll have a very slight chance of a thunderstorm after 2 o'clock local Wednesday into 6 o'clock local on Wednesday. Looking about a 10% chance of that occurring, so not very likely, but with that warm front moving through as well as some weak instability over the area, cannot rule that out. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, currently we do have those overcast skies out there with overcast deck at 20,000 feet. And a chance of scattered at 5,000 feet, overcast deck at 10,000 feet. Moving to the 10 o'clock hour, we're going to have more mid-level cloudiness moving in with a scattered deck at 5,000, broken deck at 10,000, overcast deck at 20,000, and additional broken deck at 15,000 out there. We'll have a slight chance of a rain shower afternoon today, and then we'll move into after 3 o'clock or 1500 local. We'll see those rain showers likely, a chance of some moderate rain showers. Moving into the overnight time period, as I mentioned, we'll have the ceilings come down Wednesday, 1 o'clock. Local will see a overcast deck at 600 feet. Chances of rain showers in the area, also some drizzle, and that very slight chance of a thunderstorm over the region. So moving to tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock, local will see an overcast deck at 600 feet, 4-mile statute visibility with possibility of some mist lingering over the region, and a chance we do have some patchy fog out there, lowering our visibilities down to 1 statute mile. Our tides are slightly above normal, and looking into Wednesday and Thursday, we'll have overcast skies on Wednesday with lingering low clouds, patchy fog, and drizzle during the morning, and we'll see our winds turn more southwesterly during the afternoon. That'll allow us to become mostly cloudy. Slight chance we do become partly cloudy in the afternoon if those low cloudiness are able to get out of here quick enough. Overall, we'll see mostly cloudy skies. Chance of a shower or a slight chance of a thunderstorm during the late afternoon evening. We'll have an upper level disturbance moving through once again for our Wednesday evening, and with the southwesterly winds, a little bit of daytime heating cannot rule out that thunderstorm for the evening hours. We'll have a high of 69 degrees, a yellow for precip, and also for the ceilings during the morning. Our Wednesday night will have partly to mostly cloudy skies, mild conditions, a low of 51 degrees, and for Thursday we'll have partly to mostly cloudy skies, pleasant conditions, a high of 68 degrees on Thursday. So a green chart for Wednesday into Thursday, as we'll see some dry conditions for that time period. That's going to complete the 8:15 daily operations weather brief. I hope everybody has a great day out there. We're back at 10 a.m. to look at the next 7 days.